Good afternoon. This is Yu Sang-yeol of mcloudoc. Today, I would like to introduce a document centralization solution, the world's first concept by POSCO, a Korean company. In particular, it is an introduction to the mcloudoc, which is the oldest and has the most customers among the existing document centralization solutions. mcloudoc can be used for many different fields. Today, we are talking about information leakage prevention, including cutting-edge technology and customer privacy. So, let's get started. The most common field of document centralization in Korea is prevention of cutting-edge technology leakage. However, document centralization is also very effective in the field of preventing the leakage of customer personal information. If you store all your documents centrally, you might think you are vulnerable to malware such as ransomware. However, we are thoroughly prepared for central document protection. If documents are scattered on many pieces, you may be worried about missing documents and can't find the right ones. Document centralization preserves corporate documents and utilizes them for work. How did you respond to these problems before the document centralization solution came out? We needed at least 4 enterprise softwares. First is the DLP solution that includes media control. Secondly, it is a DRM solution that performs document encryption function. Third is a personal information protection solution that finds and protects personal information documents on your PC. Finally, EDMS solution for centrally storing and managing documents. The use of these many solutions has following problems. First, it is difficult to manage consistently because each solution is created by different companies. Second, it requires a lot of purchase and maintenance cost. Third, it takes more than twice as long to determine the cause when a software problem occurs. The document centralization solution provides a simple and secure security environment by installing only one agent on your PC. In particular, depending on the type of application, you can even prevent the PC from saving to the local hard disk. This ensures that all business documents are stored centrally only. Document leakage through your smartphone will be blocked and it will private PC screen capture. It prevents documents from being leaked to storage media, including USB and CDs, and it prevents printing also. Servers with these stored documents can be protected by a number of security solutions, including firewall. mcloudoc also provides various countermeasures against ransomware attacks. An environment with only one agent can overcome the disadvantages of an environment with multiple solutions. In addition, document centralization solution provides a seamless work environment by centralizing all documents. mcloudoc, a document centralization solution, supports several client operating systems. Java Explorer and Web Explorer are supported on both Macintosh and Linux. On Windows, we support Web Explorer, Java Explorer, and Windows Explorer, etc. On mobile operating systems, including iOS and Android, we support dedicated application. Since it supports various operating systems, it can be used according to the customer's environment. The mcloudoc Windows Explorer Drive is the most popular user interface. It is fully developed by ourselves, and you can use remote documents as if it is on your local hard disk. Instead of copying the remote file to local disk, it is loaded into memory for fast performance and security. Video playback skips ahead, and playback can be done right where you want. For SolidCAD files, even though there are thousands of files, only the blocks needed for the screen display will be read for faster performance. Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, and Dropbox will use the Windows namespace, not Windows Drive. Only Windows Drive guarantees the 100% compatibility for applications used in real business environments. mcloudoc's document link function makes it easy to share documents between employees via email, messenger, or bulletin board. You can share the original document, or you can also share a copy of it. You can also make sure that only team manager approved document links are available to partners or affiliates. For added security, the document can be viewed only when logged into the mcloudoc Windows agent. This feature uses links without document attachment, which reduces network traffic and saves storage space. mcloudoc's folder share shares a specific folder in your personal or team drives with your employees. The employees can be given different rights. In particular, it is easy to use because it appears immediately under the drive labeled Shared Drive in Windows Explorer. The folder sharing function used by Windows operating system is subject to hacking and is very dangerous. However, mcloudoc's folder sharing is very secure because it uses its own protocol. mcloudoc provides Team Drive. The Team Drive may be a company-wide drive or, as its name suggests, a team drive. It's a document drive for people in your company to work together. The folder manager of the Team Drive can manage the permissions for each folder. In particular, if you don't have a list view permission for a folder, the folder won't be visible at all. This causes each team member to see only some of the entire folders. Right management is available for all subfolders in Team Drive. As a result, you can manage folders in a very flexible, collaborative structure. In particular, this detailed permission management is a useful feature not found in Microsoft OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. The document versioning function of mcloudoc can specify the expiration date and the maximum number of versions of the version control document. If an employee has a problem with a document by mistake, you can immediately revert to the previous version. Even if malicious code such as ransomware encrypts the document, the previous version is automatically kept. Version control is automatic, even if you do not manually check out or check in. If you use mcloudoc, you can avoid worst document loss. In mcloudoc, shared drive and team drive are used by several people at the same time. Therefore, two or more people can work on the same document at the same time. mcloudoc prevents conflicts when two people modify and save the same document. Users who open a document that already opened will open it as read-only. If you need to revise this document immediately, you can check who is editing the document in the document properties provided by mcloudoc. Document locking is done automatically without the user selecting a separate checkout menu. mcloudoc indexes centralized documents to provide full text search. You can search documents instantly through Windows Explorer menu without opening web pages. In particular, paper documents can be indexed after being imaged with scanner to provide full text search. Companies adopting mcloudoc will bring all of their intellectual document assets into central server. Applying artificial intelligence to it in the future will allow more intelligent and specialized business tasks. mcloudoc also provides a document security level function. The name and the number of security levels can be freely specified by company. Company can also freely assign document handling permission to employees. mcloudoc applies various security features based on the document's security level and the employee's handling rights. Security features also include whether the document can be recognized or not. In addition, it controls security-related features such as reading, moving, printing, screen capture, and clipboard copy. These document security functions are available directly from Windows Explorer. In addition, unlike normal documents, security-graded documents are subject to strict export procedures, allowing you securely manage your company's confidential documents. It is also important to securely exchange documents with other employees, affiliates, or partners. mcloudoc provides a procedure to approve the exchange of documents. You can also use a one-time password to prevent repudiation of receipt of document. In addition, if the endpoint security feature of the mcloudoc agent is enabled, mandatory login of the recipient enables more secure document exchange. Secure document exchange is enabled by specifying appropriate policies for each of internal employees, affiliate employees, and partner employees. mcloudoc's mobile application supports Android and iOS. Let me briefly introduce some of the features. The mcloudoc application provides a login function with secondary authentication. It also provides the ability to connect from the outside to the internal server through proxy server. It also provides document leakage prevention function when viewing Office documents. You can approve document export requests outside of your company. It provides full text search for central documents. It also provides writing on documents capabilities during meetings in a paperless work environment. The mcloudoc mobile application provides a convenient work environment on the go while providing maximum document security. mcloudoc offers endpoint security function that integrates DLP and DRM solution into one. This clock replaces DLP solution and additionally provides a prohibition of local disk saving. It also provides the ability to private document attachment online and also prevents document leakage to various cloud services. It provides document export request and approval function. In particular, it provides the ability to provide countermeasures against ransomware up to 100% by itself. DiskLock Plus replaces existing DRM solutions. It prohibits screen capture, clipboard copy, and printing. These security features of mcloudoc can be used to protect high-tech and customer privacy. Ransomware infects many personal and corporate documents. As you know, documents encrypted with ransomware cannot guarantee 100% recoverability. Therefore, ransomware blocking must be prepared in advance. mcloudoc's ransomware countermeasures has 4 stages. The first is to enable document input and output only for programs registered with whitelist. The second is to detect and block ransomware I/O pattern. The third is automatic version control that allows you to restore documents that were automatically copied. Fourth is the backup function. We have been developing the ability to block ransomware in mcloudoc since 2015. This feature will protect your valuable document assets from being encrypted. I'll show you 2 customer cases shortly. The first is the case of Samsung Card. In the meantime, a great deal of customer personal information has been leaked from credit card companies, causing serious damages. Accordingly, Samsung Card eliminated the customer information scattered on 1,600 pieces and centralized all documents. Customers' personal information will no longer be exported without team leaders' approval. The second is a high-tech leak prevention case. Tokyo Electron Korea is a global semiconductor equipment company. The company needed to prove its in-house security in dealings with Samsung Electronics. To do this, we had to centrally store all CAD drawings and office documents scattered across employees' PCs. This ensures the security of the company's documents that contain high-tech information. mcloudoc shares information about product features, customer interviews, and product uses through YouTube channel. You can see many videos in this YouTube channel. mcloudoc.com is a document centralization cloud service. Here, you will find a wide range of product descriptions and use cases along with expert resources. We would like to meet good business partners in Vietnam and Southeast Asia. Please feel free to contact me. Then we will start discussion together. Thank you for listening to my presentation.